How to Startups presents the rise of Airbnb. In 2007, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia birthed the idea of Airbnb out of necessity. They rented air mattresses in their apartment because all the hotels were booked. Their experiment disrupted the hotel industry, now boasting over 3 million listings worldwide, valued at $31 billion. Lee Gallagher, Fortune magazine editor, shares Airbnb's growth story in her new book. She was drawn to Airbnb because it triggered varied opinions among people. Initially, she dismissed it as an idea that had been done before. Gallagher first noticed the transformative potential of Airbnb when she interviewed CEO Brian Chesky. She saw the numbers and realized it was an innovative way to travel. She appreciated its impact on social, business, and cultural landscapes. Chesky, Gebbia, and Nate Blecharczyk started Airbnb by renting out space in their apartment. Most people thought they were insane. Investors refused to meet them, fearing the inherent risks. The turning point came when they rented their apartment during a design conference. The response was overwhelming, making them believe in their idea. The second boost was their acceptance into Y Combinator, a startup accelerator program. Airbnb's unique edge was its focus on urban home sharing, making it different from other rental sites. Their review system, personality-reflecting profiles, and affordable pricing resonated with millennials who were mostly ignored by traditional hoteliers. The hotel industry initially underestimated Airbnb, dismissing it as insignificant competition. As Airbnb continued to grow, the rivalry became evident, especially with their pricing model that absorbs extra demand during peak periods. The aspect of property owners willingly offering their spaces was a game changer. Millennials, even those with studio apartments, could turn their spaces into income streams. Airbnb advertised this feature as a way for the middle class to stay in their homes. The hotel industry recognized Airbnb's successful home concept and tried to adopt it. Hotel CEOs saw the need for experimentation in their industry. While hotel industries were making changes to attract millennials, they started making minor tweaks directly in response to Airbnb. But it is clear that Airbnb has created a new category for the real estate marketplace. Let us know what startup we should cover next.